Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious macaroni salad at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need cooked elbow macaroni, creamy mayonnaise, crisp celery, a sweet onion, and a colorful bell pepper. We'll also prepare a simple, tangy dressing that brings all these flavors together perfectly. Finely dicing your vegetables is key for a consistent and enjoyable texture in every bite. Now let's get cooking. Boil your elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, then rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. Next, in a large bowl, combine your cooled macaroni with all those finely diced vegetables. Finally, pour that delicious, tangy dressing over everything. Mix it all together gently, ensuring every piece is coated evenly for maximum flavor. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And speaking of making things easy, these leak-proof containers are fantastic for storing your delicious macaroni salad, keeping it fresh for days. They're perfect for meal prep. You can find the link for these containers and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Once everything is mixed, cover your macaroni salad tightly and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial. It allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and gives the macaroni a chance to fully absorb the creamy dressing. Before serving, give it a final stir and consider garnishing with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for an extra pop of color. Enjoy your homemade macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.